Hello guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is my video actually about how to change the look of your furniture with a very minimal price and minimal change. So I have this cabinet. I bought this cabinet from Walmart, like I don't know, like maybe 2 years back. And I since then I want to change the knob of this cabinet, and I also did change the glass insert, which I did the DIY, in the can mirror. But honestly, I'm not happy with this transformation because it's have a very vintage look, not a shiny, because I like the shiny mirror look. So I'm gonna show you how I change the knob of this cabinet, and it was a very easy change. I just bought the knob, uh, 549 each in the golden color, and it changed actually the total look. So I'm going to show you the knobs. So I already have off one of this was the old one, which is on the cabinet, and it have only one hole. So but I bought this hardware which have a two holes, but I don't mind. And if you like this, that's fine, because then you can adjust the height where you want it. If you put in the second one, maybe it will be a little bit higher, and the top one will be a little bit down. And the one thing I noticed, the screw was originally with the cabinet, it's a better fit, because these are actually for the kitchen. So the screw is little longer, so when I put this on the cabinet, it was loose, so I decided to put this, use the old one with this new hardware. So I will put it here, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this is the after look. So I completed to change the hardware, and I really like it, and it makes a big difference. So you can change with the minimal thing, and it's a big change. I like it. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.